Most people in this category spend weeks researching and still end up with regret. Not because they made the wrong choice. Because nobody told them what actually matters. This review is going to be different. I am going to tell you the things most reviewers skip. You have probably read the spec sheets. You have seen the star ratings. And you are still not sure. That uncertainty is not a you problem. It is a signal that most reviews are written by people who spent 45 minutes with a product. Not 45 days. The question you are really asking is not what this product does. The question is whether it is going to actually change anything for you. That is the question I am going to answer. I tracked this product through multiple price cycles before sitting down to record this. I compared it against the alternatives that serious buyers in this category actually consider. And I looked at what happens after the purchase. Not just before. The GE RPWFE refrigerator water filter. Genuine replacement filter. Certified to reduce lead, sulfur, and 50+ other impurities. Replace every 6 months for best results. Pack of 1 earns its place by doing something specific very well. That something starts with brand. Visit the GE store. What that means in your day-to-day is that you stop compensating for what your last product got wrong. The second thing worth paying attention to is about this item: premium filtration. GE Genuine RPWFE filter is certified to reduce 50+ impurities including lead, chlorine, PFOA, PFOS, microplastics, arsenic, and select pharmaceuticals. Impurities not necessarily found in all users' water. GE Guaranteed Fit. Compatible with select GE appliances French door refrigerators. Designed to fit GE Profile, Cafe, and Monogram brands. Buy with confidence. Genuine GE RPWFE filter is certified to NSF, ANSI drinking water standards to improve your water quality and meet requirements set by independent and accredited organizations, unlike counterfeit or deceptively labeled products. Easy filter replacement. Simple installation with no tools or water shutoff required. 6-month filter life. Keep filtration at its best by replacing every 6 months. Or enroll in Subscribe and Save to receive filters automatically when it's time to replace. See more. Product details. Not in a test environment. In the situations where you actually need it to perform. That difference shows up in ways that are hard to quantify on a spec sheet. The third element is GE Appliances genuine water filters are certified to NSF, ANSI drinking water treatment standards to improve the quality of your home water. Imitation or counterfeit water filters can damage your water filter system and aren't guaranteed to reduce the impurities in your water. Genuine GE water replacement filter, RPWFE, reduces select pharmaceuticals, including ibuprofen, progesterone, atenolol, trimethoprim and fluoxetine. Impurities not necessarily in all users' water. If you have ever replaced something ahead of schedule because it stopped holding up, you already understand why this matters more than any single feature. The feedback pattern on this model is unusual in one specific way. Buyers who come in skeptical end up leaving the same reviews as the people who were already excited. That kind of convergence across different buyer types is not something you see often. It tells you something real about consistency of experience. There is one limitation I want you to know before you decide. Product information item details model number RPWFE product benefits certified to reduce chlorine-resistant cysts, lead, select pharmaceuticals and 50 other impurities. Brand name GE set name single UPC 0846918088497. Global Trade Identification Number 000-84691808497. Manufacturer Warranty Description Limited 1 Year Warranty. Unit Count 1 Count Number of Items 1 Manufacturer Part Number RPWFE Item Type Name. Certified to reduce lead, sulfur, and 50+ other impurities. Replace every 6 months for best results. Pack of 1 Manufacturer GE. Appliances included components replacement RPWFE refrigerator water filter bestsellers rank 13 in. Tools and home improvement. See top 100 in tools and home improvement. 4 in refrigerator water filters ACEN B009 PCI2JU customer reviews 4.6 out of 5 stars. Not everyone will weigh that the same way. And I understand that. If that specific thing is a deal breaker for your situation, I respect that completely. But for the majority of buyers who are looking at this product, the overall trade-off still lands clearly on the right side. Pricing on this model has not been stable. I have watched it move enough times that I would not trust any number I write here today. The figure you see right now is not what I saw a month ago. And it is probably not what you will see in another month. Sometimes that movement is upward. Sometimes it is a significant discount. The only way to know which side you are on right now is to check the live link. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I have placed the link below so you can check if the current discount is still live.